If you notice that here I'm showing you a post BNB chain from. So this post is the newest Web3 dApps on BNB chain. So here is GangGang. They provide a airdrop that could be one of the biggest airdrop you have ever get. So how to join this airdrop, I will provide all sort of thing information. So just stay with this video and watching. I provide a link there and you need to just click on there, and after that you need to choose a extension browser to use that website to join their airdrop. So how do you join there? So I use my browser that is accessible to have extension, and whatever browser you have you can use that has extension, and go there, paste your uh, website address there, and after that connect with your wallet, tap on there and click. First of all, keep in mind, before you sign in, do its desktop. If you have PC, that is good. So it will take some time, for network purpose, so doesn't matter, just stay with that. If you want to get something, you need to provide for that something. So you need to provide just time, not you need to provide money. Here is not investing, no deposit is like allowed for uh, participating in the airdrop. So just you need to put some time for that. So here is it takes some time, sorry for that, and it will take some. So here is just you need to tap on. You maybe already know what should you do next after next, because you are somewhat expert in airdrop space. So click on connect, and here is some um like some accessible wallet will show in front of your screen, and click on MetaMask. I will recommend that because it's easy to accessible in any like website, and it will so do whatever like thing you need to do, and I will recommend you like follow them. It's so safe, no, don't worry about like being scammed. Here is nothing like nothing sounds like that. So I will recommend you to join here. So click next and connect that, and after that come back in your GangGang website, and here is you need to just need sign. So click again connect, and opening MetaMask is doing some like issue, but if they do that like this, just try multiple time. Swiss network, and here is done that, go back into your GangGang website, and here is done. Just second is invitation code that is already put onto your box. Just click on sign in, and after that you need to go again MetaMask for for approve your sign. So sign, click on there, and done. Go back into your GangGang website again. So here is your 0 point. Maybe you are saying like this part, your 0 point. So maybe you are saying newcomer task, climb points. So like here is what should you do for like, maybe you already know how to join this type of thing. Follow GangX Telegram. So click on there, and that all like directly going through you into Twitter, and here is automatically like everything is like show you what should you do. Here is this, see, notice, just I'm just coming in there and welcome, now you can follow them. Click on there, like it can do your grandmother. So it's so easy to do. Come back there again, done, and join Telegram if you want, and after that It's not mandatory to join Telegram. Okay, I won't do that. And retweet the post, it is mandatory to do. So must I will recommend you to must do that. It has been loading, and after that, automatically, what should you do next? That will that will mark you like this way. Repost, click on that, and back again there. Number 3 is this one. Click the button above follow and be able to connect your Twitter X. Connect there, and it will take access of your Twitter, authorize for seeing that you did that properly or not. So click on authorize, and after that it will back into GangGang website where you're doing your joining task to gain point. So here is all thing is done. Bam, just click on this button that is like climb, and that is easy to do. Click on there, and boom, your point has been 1,000. So it's kind of like you get that. And after that, if they provide any kind of update about this airdrop, I will share with you in my Telegram. Join there, and so join this way, and after that I will give you my all sort of update. So here, join, and you can message me. I will provide here my you can message me directly through Telegram. So this way,